Hello guys, good morning. It's Tuesday, like I'm not feeling well. My throat pain, it's increasing. It increased today a lot, and I took my medicine last night also, and also today, but it's not improving. And also today I got lots of body ache, and I just took my breakfast. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. I just took my breakfast and I'm thinking of taking these medicines because I'm getting fever also. So it's just kind of update to you all that I couldn't be able to make vlog today for you all because like I am extremely not feeling well, and also I got pimple here and here because I couldn't able to sleep in the night. It's been 2-3 days like I am not sleeping well. So yeah, that's that. And also I got this really cute Bible yesterday. Actually I went to see one of our relatives. She was not feeling well, so I went there, and I'm extremely sorry for the lighting because I'm like shooting this thing today in our room only. So yeah, and excuse my voice also. And yes, I'm talking about this Bible. This is really cute, and all the painting inside this are so good. Like these paintings are hand painted, like I will show you. All these are hand painted. It's almost 300 more than 300 pages over here, and even the cover, everything is hand painted. And like this is actually for the kids of Sunday school, but I quite like this one. I went there and she gave me this last night, and then I quite enjoy reading this. Like I everyday read Bible, but this is really easy. It's all written in Nepali. Like my Nepali is quite weak, though I am Nepali, I know I am Nepali, but still like I couldn't pronounce well some of the words. But this Bible is like, because of this, these Bibles are really made for the kids, so they have explained everything really well. And because of all those pictures, it reminding me of my childhood, and I'm really enjoying reading this. So though I am not feeling well, but I'm not going to sleep or lay down in my bed whole day. Maybe I'm going to read this one, and I'm going to read another Bible also, and I'm also in the middle of that book which I've shown you before. I haven't yet finished that, and I will read that also. And also yesterday I was yesterday I was like wanted to watch that movie Puspa, like everybody's talking about. So I think what the hype behind that, I was wanted to watch that, but I searched everywhere. I couldn't able to get it in YouTube. So my husband told me that today he'll put in his phone and brought for me from one of his friend. So maybe I'll watch that also, but maybe I cannot vlog outside this. It's quite sunny today, but it's not that hot like winter days. So that's that. And also you people take care of yourself, and if you are in Darjeeling also, weather is getting really cold these days. Kindly take care of yourself. It's not COVID, by the way. Like I have my test, though I couldn't smell anything, but I have taste in my mouth. Though body ache is like really worse still. It's not COVID. So yeah, that's that. I will see you guys tomorrow. If I vlog anything, like if I feel better later on, and if I vlog anything, I will put a clip, add clip. But if I cannot, then I will see you guys tomorrow. So bye bye, take care of yourself.